Okay, so let's today's lesson. Start today's lesson. So today I'm gonna do a little bit short. Okay, last few classes being long. So we're gonna finish this unit of justice. So first one, 歹. 歹. Okay, 歹 means bad, evil, wicked, misdeeds, or it can be used as an adjective or a noun. Okay, when you use adjective, that means bad, evil, wicked. If you use it as a noun, that means misdeeds, just bad act. So this one, if this actually is part of a character, many characters, this will be part of the character. When you see this means dead. Okay, so when you see a character has this component in it, so that character usually means usually related to something dead. So that means it's not good. Okay, let's take a look at it. You see, so this thing, yeah, the original character, it looks like a skeleton that is not complete, like, skeleton remains. That's what it is. Okay, to represent it, this is dead, die. Tu. Tu means go on foot, walk. Okay. It also means foot soldier, slaves, or 徒弟, like pupil. Also means just referred to as a person. And housemaid or a crowd. Okay, so those are referring to people. Basically, you can refer to a person using this character. Another meaning is only, in vain, or bare. Okay. For example, the first meaning, walk, go on foot, right? Foot soldier. So this is 图习, 图行. 图行 means walk. And 图兵, that means foot soldier. And then referring to people, there are many uses, like 门徒, that means your student. 基督教徒, that means Christian. Like a 党徒, that means party member. 门徒, that means fellow students, under the same teacher. So, and then if it's let's say only, okay, only means it can be used like this, 徒有其表, that means this guy only look good, but it does not have real skills or real capability. And then 徒 and 徒手 means, for example, 徒手 徒手搏斗, that means you fight with your bare hand. Okay, so let's look at the character. So this character, you can see this has a foot, right? So it's a foot, and in front of the foot there's a pile of dirt. So that means you're walking on the ground. Okay, walking on the ground. And so look at this thing, right? So on the left hand side, so when you see this part of character on the left hand side, that usually has something to do with path, with road, that sort of thing. Okay. So basically, this picture is saying, in front of foot, they're dirt ground, and it's you are on a path. So this means walk. 图 坏 坏 means ruin, decline or fall, rotten, spoiled, bad, evil, bad element, dirty trick, awfully. Basically, this 坏 in Chinese, basically it's correspond. I think in English, the counterpart would be bad. It's just very general character to refer to anything that is not good, just bad. Okay, 坏. And this character is very, very common. You use it very often. Okay. And let's take a look. 坏. So this thing on the left hand side is a pile of dirt, right? On the right hand side, 坏. Okay, so the modern ones, they greatly simplified, but the older one, the right hand side means somebody is crying with tears and shedding his tears onto his clothes. So that's the picture. Okay, so you can see that there's an eye in the middle, right? And then there's tears going down, and at bottom is a cloth. It's a piece of cloth, right? The clothes these guys are wearing. So so this is the original picture, but the modern ones, they use a 不, okay, to replace it, because the older one is very complicated to write. And so 不 means just negative, right? Negate, negative. So to use this to refer to something is not good, bad. 坏.
请练习今天新学的字。
类 means category, kind, type, or race. Okay, so first meaning is basically you are group or segment or divide anything that into some kind of group. Okay, you distinguish them with their characteristics. Okay, so this is called 类. Another meaning is resemble or be similar to. Okay, so it's similar to, be similar to, resemble. So that's the two basic meaning. Okay, so for example, 画虎不成反类犬, that means you're trying to draw a tiger, but you're not good, so you draw something that looks like a dog. Okay, so let's take a look at this character. So this one, okay, so the older one, the old character, and you can see that so there's a dog right there. Okay, on the lower left corner, there's a little dog right there. And then the rest of it is a character called a character pronounced as late. Okay, 这个 pronounce the same thing, but that thing means similar. Okay, similar. So they put these two together to mean like similar things, or you are dividing things according to their similarities. Okay. So this is but the simplified version, they just took part of it, okay, and get rid of the right hand side. Late.
请练习今天新学的字。
真 strange beast. Okay, 真 on the left hand side there's a dog, so this is right hand, and the right hand side is 真. It's to represent the sound. Okay, so this is not a real animal, but it's a legendary animal, that's only exists in imagination. And this animal is very strange, weird, and vicious. Okay, so 真, if you take a look, basically it's it's the dog on the side, and then there's a 真 on the right hand side.
请练习今天新学的字。
So 您 means hideous, fierce. Okay, and also look at somebody very angry. 狰狞 and 狰狞, these two characters usually they use them together to mean that somebody is very hideous, fierce, and awful, and also very angry, that kind of thing. Okay. So this thing, same thing again. On the left hand side it's the dog, on the right hand side is the character 您 to represent its sound. Okay. This 您 is, the meaning is peace, actually, on the right hand side. I think this is probably like a fierce animal, come up and disturb your peace.
请练习今天新学的字。
嘴 嘴 means mouth, or anything resemble a mouth or resemble a beak. Okay, anything like in shape that resembles those things, or resemble a mouth. Okay. Zui. Somebody is telling me that 嘴. Okay, so let's take a look at this character. So, okay, so there's a mouse. Okay, there's a口 on the side, and 嘴, that's the right hand side. This part pronounced 嘴. So originally this means bird's beak. Okay, but now they refer to mouse in general. Okay, they usually refer to people's mouth. Okay, people's mouth. Yeah, so there's a horn, there's a mouse, there's a foot, there's a person. Anyway. Okay.
请练习今天新学的字。
脸 means cheek, face, or front of something. Something that facing the front, you call it 脸. Oh, okay. Facial expression. 脸面 that means face, right? 没脸见人 that means you are so embarrassed. Okay. Like 城门面 城门脸 that means the front of the city gate. Okay. 脸 so let's take a look at 形声字. Okay, on the left hand side there's 月. So I told you very many times this 月 means body part. A lot of time means body part. Okay. 脸. So on the right hand side is a character representing sound. Okay. Okay. 脸. Take a look. So 歹徒坏类狰狞嘴脸. So this is 歹 means bad, right? Very bad. 徒 means what? Means refer to people in general. So 歹徒 means bad people. Okay. 坏类 so 坏 also means bad. 类 means a type, right? A kind, a category. So 坏类 that means bad kind. So this is also referred to bad people. 歹徒坏类. So just bad people. Okay, 歹徒坏类. 狰狞嘴脸. 狰狞 means it's very fierce. Some animal that has it's very bad tempered and very fierce, very ferocious, that kind of animal. 嘴脸 that 嘴脸 right? 嘴 means mouth, 脸 means face. When you say 嘴脸, usually carries a negative connotation. Means that this person's countenance is pretty bad and awful looking. Okay, so 狰狞嘴脸 that means this guy is very angry, looks terrible and intimidating, frightening. Okay, 歹徒坏类狰狞嘴脸. 做 hold on. What's going on? Hold on. 怎么搞的？过不去了。It's not good. Huh. Why is that? This is not good. That's a little bug. I cannot continue, so it's not good. Let's see. Yeah, something is wrong. Yeah, sorry about that. So I'm gonna go back to this, just look at this and okay, 作奸犯科 作 this character means doing, okay? It's very much like the English word do, okay? Like 作文写作业 right? 作业 that means homework. Like 作业 also means like contractors working on the field. 作奸 奸 means very bad, doing awful bad things. Well, I think this is kind of troublesome. I think I wanted to go back to try to fix the bug now. And so I'm gonna stop here. And I will continue to make another recording and upload it so you can have it later. Okay, so I'm gonna go fix this bug. And I think otherwise you guys will not be able to continue also. So sorry about that.